So you do get a bit of feedback off the camera. What the hell's that? Oh my god. Right, so that's us rocked up now at VW Festival Spring Meetup. And I bought one of these. A Topdon TC View thermal camera. Now the reason I bought this, right, was for doing like an annual service type thing on the van where I'm going to be checking all the wiring connections and stuff. And the thermal imaging camera side of it is brilliant because basically you can just go through and look at everything and see if there's any hot spots in it and that. So I thought, you know, give it a whirl, try it. You meet your mates in the vans all the time and that, so it's always best to check your connections have not dropped off and that. And got the usual crew here. No van docs here, Kimmy, July and here. And the caddy boys in his transporter. No, he has got his caddy here. It is, if you look at back there now, he's snuck it in at the side there, so he's not just a traitor, he's a traddy. Right, so what I'm going to do with this, right, I'm going to test it basically. We're going to run around my van, check all my wiring and stuff like that. We're also going to look at other people's vans. So we've got Mark's van, who's a Sparky. See if it passes inspections, that. See how many hot wires there are. And then we've got John, which is basically run on 3, 4, 5 power banks at the minute. Because he keeps nuking them all with air fryers. And we'll also see what thermal properties we've got in the vans as well. So we'll also go out and check the vans of a night time, right, and see who's actually leaking heat and where you know your hot spots are and that, and just check it insulation really, just for a crack, and then we'll have a look at other stuff as well. What would you? Right, so in this box, right, you get this cool little pouch here, and in it you get your chargers, different leads and that for different phones. So you've got like iPhones, got lightning cable, and you've got USB-C ones, and it works on them. This one's specifically for the iPhone USB-C, and basically this just plugs into your phone. It's tiny. Yeah, so this app, right, it's called Top Infrared. Just download it, Google App Store, go into it, comes up straight away, wired device, straight on. You can see that on camera, and then click the home button, and it don't work. Enable thermal imaging camera. Oh, look at that.
Wait, that looks cool.
And you get like an image on that. What I'll do a screen recording of it, like you can see what I'm looking at, but I'll tell you what, it's mental this. Oh my god, poor Roxy's feet are freezing. Georgia, don't trump because it shows up like a Christmas tree on here. Right, back to the vans now, time for a cook-off. What's Mark having?
Not a cook-off.
Stir fry.
Vegetable stir fry.
I thought you should have mixed it with that camera then. We're going to have kebab.
Yum, yum.
I tell you what, right, these lot take the Michael out of my air fryer, right, because it's tiny. I did mess up. Probably get 2 chicken nuggets in it. But John, his van battery's flat. Not the van battery, the leisure battery, because they had the air fryer on this morning, and he's got a 1600 watt and it nuked it. Now he's laughing. It's probably about 200 watts, if that. Mint. Look at that, it can fit more than 1 chicken nugget, lad. Ooh, getting kebabs on. Right, so the idea of this setup is basically just an easy way of just checking if your wiring's alright. Now, bear in mind, back of my van's a bomb site because we're camping. Excuse the little mess. So, we'll just have a quick look at the wires now and just see if anything. Now, bear in mind, I've just done the cooking in now, so if there's any hot spots in it. Click on the tool, enable thermal imaging, confirm. And let's just have a look at what temperature we're playing at. So you see the servo at the end. That is actually quite warm now, isn't it? 26, 29 on that servo. That's running quite hot, that. 20. So the highest point on that is 32. What's showing on there? That one there is the fuse. So the first one along is so that one there is the link distributor, quite cold. The link smart BMS, so highest temperature on that's 29, quite warm. And then you've got the power in system, which the top one, the POS, which I expected to be quite warm, is 24, so not too bad. And then we go down the bottom, so then we've got the insulator there. That's quite warm. Solar intake, that's quite cool. Then behind that you've got the MPPT, which is a solar panel, and that is quite warm, that. But that's not too bad, 20 odd degrees. Like I say, I'm dragging in about 200 watts of solar at the minute, so I expected that to be quite warm. But the cables are showing quite cool. And in the end, got the Orion Smart Charger, which is going to be cold because there's nothing on there. It's not even running on the engine. And at the end, you've got the battery protect, and that's running 30 degrees. So it's still quite warm, but it's not too bad. We're not picking up any major hot spots. Just check the inverter as well, which I'm not expecting this to be any hot spots on this light, but you never know. Top temperature, that one, 18 degrees, so it's running quite cool, that. Check out cables underneath. Can't really see them here, which is a bit of a faff, but you can see it on the consumer unit, and they're quite cold. Let's check battery terminals. The terminals are quite cool, so it's not too bad of a system, not too bad really. So electric's my bad, not too bad. I mean, I expected it to be 20 odd degrees on it. Like I said, I've just cooked full dinner on that one. Yeah, I've used some gas and that, but got the inverter on, the diesel heater's been waxed on a bit, so it's not too bad. Let's go and have a look at someone else's van. Should we go for Mark's? So as you can see, Mark's van there, somebody's got a really hot ass. Let's see if he farts. It's not Trump yet.
You said that's like Tenby side, isn't it? Like, yeah, somewhere along.
What are we on?
There.
So look at Mark's. Is July ain't got that heated blanket on?
No.
Are you sure?
What's that?
30 degrees, right? Oh, it's just a leg.
It's what?
It's your leg.
We thought that was your heated blanket then.
What, my leg?
Yeah. Oh, we've got hotspot down there, mate. What's that?
Oh, it's the.
Oh, you see you later.
What's that light down there? Oh, it's my phone, look.
Is that your phone, that?
Yeah.
Oh, mate, it's not too bad, that. 23 degrees.
What's his face?
What?
He is
Hot stuff.
35 degrees.
Oh,
Oh my
got
God.
COVID.
That is COVID temps, that, isn't it? That's getting into borderline.
Yeah.
So Liam on. Liam, hot stuff, 33, not too bad. 35, man, that's great.
Yeah, I'm glowing, mate.
I know, I wonder if my forehead's
What
glowing.
have you got?
Oh, my
you
God.
just like it's all white.
34.
34, so
Yeah.
you got
In
it.
here, you've probably got a bit of.
We're looking
on you
for
out there.
dodgy wiring here anyway. Right, let's see if John trumps now. Look at that.
Yeah, that's it. When you put it on the home screen, it's got the LG.
You got hot stuff, baby. Is he guff yet?
Not coming yet.
We've got a farto monitor. If he farts.
Oh, no, we're not.
Yeah, these, right, honestly.
We're not plugged into Jones's Wi-Fi. No.
All these gypsies, right, have jumped on my
4G
bloody
here.
Tesco's Wi-Fi.
5G. We've got full 5G here. We're not.
Set him out. Yeah, use a TV aerial, mate. What's he got there? That's not TV, that's YouTube, that. You don't get YouTube on an aerial, do you?
Tethered to John's
Con artist again.
Yeah, it's got 5G on it. I've got 5G.
Did we think he's the one I send him an invoice at the end of the month, like, listen lads, you've spent about 30 quid on sterling this month. George, you've not cooled down yet, 29 degrees.
Have you not cooled down?
Must be time for bed yet, won't it? You know what I mean?
Temperature am I running at?
What's what? Oh my God.
50-12.
What's that? 28?
28.
COVID.
COVID. Lee? What are you, lad? 30. 6 money, it's like a boiled egg.
Glandular fever's got glandular
Glandular
fever. I was 35 in there.
You can't have a serious conversation with these lot, I tell you. It's just shocking. What's that came out? What's it? 32. Ooh, she's a bit cold. She's cold stuff. You look like a skeleton, Babs. Looks like a skeleton. Watch your turkey teeth.
These are not from Turkey.
That's got come on it now.
Take where I put me mouth.
Just to add a bit of context to that, right? John's just been running around with a UV light. Check it, see if anyone's got. Come on, no. Yeah? You farted it, right? Let's show it. He's off now. Honestly, the things you do with cameras and thermal stuff is shocking. Supposed to use these as responsible tools and they just mess about with things. Can't take no serious.
It's alright, you don't need anyone needs a fart.
Do you need a fart?
No, not really. I need a shit.
Who's hot stuff over there now?
Wait, face it again.
Oh my God, Kim, you're glowing there.
Proper
I
going.
think
That's
you got COVID.
Nana nap time, that, innit?
You should have seen Glenny with number 35.
Hey, put on my face, what's my face look like? Is that glowing, that, or what?
Is it 35?
What's everyone?
42 degrees.
Look at the 20.
It's to show that it's,
Come on, John's out there.
it's to show that it's real.
All the cum. Too much cum. It's not a Liam.
It's his anniversary. Walk over to that one.
I'll learn.
Right, these lot check it piss because I've got
High blood pressure.
tan lines, high blood pressure. So we're getting thermal camera out on it now.
You look like her out of Benidorm.
It's always one, isn't there? Right, let's check temperatures in there. Come on.
This takes me back.
Right, head up. What temp we on?
Before you get to
Glandular
work.
fever.
Right, this is glandular fever.
Yeah.
And it's temp is. Holy
Can you
shit.
read it? I can't see it when I was reading.
30. Oh, it's cooled off a bit now. It's 34.1.
34, yeah.
Like
Only
that.
dropped 1 degrees out here.
Yeah.
What's mine? Mine's got to be.
What's Johnny boys? Oh, John's hot stuff, 32.4.
32.
Oh my god, when he opened his mouth and you see it went up to about 40 degrees. There was shite coming out of it.
Chatting absolute rubbish.
Oh, got that one. Hey up. This one's got fucking warm spuds there. Look at them bad boys. They're about 90 degrees now.
Oh, no, your spuds are cooler. Your spuds are cooler than the rest of your bodies. They are healthy bollocks. They are healthy bollocks.
Hey up, let's get July on here now. Don't take that bloody thing up for Christ's sake. So, give me here.
No.
Hey, your face is red hot there, Babs.
Yeah.
31.
31.
Has Mark made a good brew? What brew's that? 62 degrees, did you say? Is that tight, Timmy? Won't use gas?
If you go and check the heating in there, that'll be 47 degrees.
Let's have a check on Mark. I bet he's wiring.
They've got care all what diesel heater.
Right, let's check Mark's wiring out now. Come on. Proper scientific test we're going to do now. Hey, what's that? Step? It fell over at step there. What temp we on?
See what it's meant to be.
85 degrees. Look at that. So that's showing, right, 83 degrees, hottest temperature. Yeah? Right, so we're on kettle. What's that now? That is 71 degrees, 72.
Not there yet.
Yeah, what's it plugged into, that? That's quite cool, it's not drawing much power, is it? Or is these dodgy light switch drawing?
Well, I tell you what, these
Oh.
put that on.
Go on, put your lights on there, see what these come out.
Is it that one?
Cob light test here now.
Does it go down?
It's still showing 20 odd degrees, ain't it? 24? No difference. They're not even glowing them.
They'll get warm in a minute.
Where's your plug sockets? Oh, what the that Mark? Lift your hand up top. 45 degrees that.
That, really?
Yeah.
What's that for again? That's diesel heater.
Is it? So these are there, right? Is that normal, that? 45? Man, it's not mad hot, is it?
Yeah, it's normal.
Don't tell when you're pissed doing stuff like this, like, you know what I mean?
Don't look at that shit.
Everybody's got a messy cupboard, Mark. Hey, what's my body warmer? Check my body warmer.
30.9.
What, on the back bit?
Then midway up your back, it's 32.
There you go. Go cozy. Heated body warmer.
Face, you look like Rudolph.
Yeah, it's called sunburn, that. Right, so we're just going to do around and check the thermals of the vans, but we've all just got back and it's freezing. So I'm going to have a quick tour to my van, see what it's like. Because I did say I was going to do a proper test, and So we've got no heat leakage on that yet. At the back, heater's blasting. What temps have we got on that one? So I've got a bit of leakage on the door there. It's still showing 9 degrees. No, 12 degrees where the badge is on that. But it's weird, dogs. It's reflective, so I don't think it's actually picking up. But that's a diesel heater bit. So that's whacking out there. 57 degrees. But thermal properties of that van, not bad. Look at Desi's little cooker. Look at this here. What are we on? What temp we in here now, Des? 19 degrees. It was 19 degrees in here then. Oh, it's your head, that.
Oh. No, it's...
He's had his cum camera out. Just check if cum stains.
No.
Right, Johnny's van. I think it's quite hard to do the vans actually because they're dead reflective. So you do get a bit of feedback off the camera. What the hell's that? Oh my god.
Is that cum?
No, come here, your van, right? Right, no whatever light. This is John's van. You can see any light on it. Right side of his van, if you look on that camera, somebody has had a piss on the floor of the van. Right, bear in mind, right, that is just bare ground. Even the dog's walking past it there. Don't tell me. If the dog's having a wee on it. No way.
Someone's had a wee on my van. If you're gonna
Oh my
find a
god,
fart,
Matt, look at us a minute. He's got like the weirdest haircut.
Oh my god,
you got
you're
thermal haircut. What the hell's all
you're
that?
like Johnny Flame.
Head red.
Yeah, you got a red 5 head.
So there you have it. Thermal cameras. Not just for.
Where's my couch?
In the tent.
Why'd you pull that face? Hey, can I do a serious video with you in background?
You want me to go? Thermal cameras.
Well, it's better to look like you're not constipated. Do you know what I mean? Christ, you know. First person to comment there, I think wife uses shit.
Well, I'm not expecting you to fit it off.
What's going on?
No, it's not going on.
What is going on? Oh, it
You
is.
will not be spoken to for 2 weeks.
Oh, wow. That's a blessing in disguise. I've just uploaded it right this minute now.
Right now, because you said that. Can't wait.
Right, don't look constipated. What are you hiding for?
Smile.
Got July on it then.
Give me my peanut butter.
So there you have it. Kim's constipated. She like hands on her nanny now. Do you know you can't do that? You show these videos on a thermal camera. If you like it, buy one. See you later.